Don't get snippy with me. This is a great tool. Hey, welcome to another cool tool video. For this one, I'm going to talk about solder snips. Now, for years and years, I never had a pair of these and didn't see the point. Like, you can just take sheet solder and take some old scissors and snip off the pieces that you need. But now that I have these little solder snips, I've found that they are so much better than that approach, and I wish that I had this years ago. So what's really great about these is that you can control how much you're snipping off of your sheet solder. So if you've gone to get any solder chips, so if you can zoom in here and see that when you do buy solder chips, they come in that uniform small size, which is good for a lot of things that you need to do. But depending on your piece and project that you're working on, you might need different amounts of solder, and so it can be difficult or annoying to place several of these smaller chips. So the great things with these snips, as you can see from this sheet, is that you can control what size that you're going to take off of there. So I'll angle it just so you can see, if you're able to zoom in here, is that it snips with this two-part die. So depending how much solder you want to take off, you can easily control that based on how much you slide the snips into your sheet solder. So here, and I'll just snip it over this piece, you can snip a larger piece and it'll just snip right out of there and fall into your solder, and you'll have a larger piece to work with as opposed to the smaller chips that come. And again, you can slide that in and out and control how much solder you might need for a particular piece. So again, it's probably not a high priority tool, but it's certainly, now that it's a tool that I have, and it's something that I wish that I had years ago. So if I can save you that trouble and make anybody happier out there for having a tool that makes their lives easier, that's what the video is for. So let me know how it goes for you. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can hear from me when I post future videos. Thanks for stopping by.